This is a quick pathology quiz with 5 cases to diagnose. Question 1. This is a lump that was at the angle of the jaw of a 60-year-old man. What is it? This is the gross appearance of the lesion that has been bisected. And this is the histology. Question number 2. This is a lesion from the chest of an adolescent male who has multiple cysts on the chest. What is it? Question number 3. This is a bladder biopsy from a patient with urinary frequency, dysuria, that's painful urination, and terminal hematuria, that's blood in the urine at the end of micturition. What is the diagnosis? Question number 4. This is a piece of bowel from a child with abdominal pain and symptoms of bowel obstruction. What is the medical condition? This piece of bowel has been bisected. And this is a different piece of bowel from a different patient showing the same medical condition. Last question. This is a hard and slow growing lump in the neck of a child in the skin. What is it? Answers will be next week with links to the corresponding videos for each diagnosis.